Captum is an open source PyTorch library designed to help us understand our AI models better. It provides techniques such as gradients, saliency maps, CHAP to analyze contributions at both the layer and neuron levels. Whether we're working on NLP models or vision, Captum enables us to detect biases, inconsistencies, and hidden patterns in our data. I thought I would take a look at a series of demos showcasing Captum. Let's go ahead and take a look. First, we're going to look at an NLP or natural language processing problem. We're going to take a look at a sentiment analysis model, and we're going to understand how the model determines whether a given sentence has a positive or negative sentiment. We're going to use one of the most popular sentiment analysis models on Hugging Face, and we're going to pass two sentences through to see how the sentence gets classified. Let's go ahead and do that right now. So the top sentence, you can see here, the movie was absolutely fantastic. The story, the characters, everything was perfect. You can see that we have a positive sentiment with a confidence of 99.75%. The next sentence says, an average experience. Some good moments, but mostly boring. And here you can see the sentence was classified with a negative sentiment, with a confidence score of 99.14%. So now we're going to use Captum to understand how these sentences were classified positive and negative. So you can see the sentence on the left-hand side. The movie was absolutely fantastic. The story, the characters, everything was perfect. We use Captum to generate this image, which shows us an attribution of what words and tokens within the given sentence which had a positive or negative attribution score. As you can see, based on the organization of the sentence and the tokens that were used, most of the tokens were classified with a positive sentiment, thus giving the overall sentence a positive classification. For our second sentence, an average experience, some good moments, but mostly boring. Here you can see, based on the sentence organization and the tokens, we have a slightly different story. We can see that most tokens here, based on the organization, has more of a negative attribution score, thus leading to an overall negative classification. Now we're going to take a look at how Captum handles vision-related classifications. We have a dog and cat classifier. We're going to pass images into this dog and cat classifier, and based on the image, it'll tell us with a certain confidence whether an image is a dog or a cat. This is the cat image that we're going to pass into our classifier, and this is the dog image we're going to use. And when we pass those images through our classifier, we're going to see what our results are. So you can see here, we have the dog.jpg, which is classified as a dog at a 95.24% probability or confidence score. And we have the cat.jpg, which is the second line. It's classified as a cat with a 100% confidence score. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can use Captum to visually understand how these images got classified using our model. This image was generated by Captum. Here on the left-hand side, you can see the original dog image. And on the left-hand side, you can see all of the visual elements that the model used to determine that this was a dog using Captum. You can see all of the different parts of the dog, like the nose, the eyes, and the ears. So these were all features of the image that were used to classify this image as a dog. Here's the Captum image for our cat classification. Again, you see the original cat picture on the left, and all of the positive attributions the model used in order to classify this cat on the right. You can make out, again, its eyes, nose, ears, and parts of the body of the cat. As you can see, Captum is an amazing tool which works for NLP and vision to help us understand how our ML models are classifying and coming to the decisions that they are reaching. Captum is an amazing tool to help us understand how our AI and ML models are coming to the decisions that they're making. I hope you enjoyed the demos, and thanks for watching.